In this lecture, we will talk about interfaces. I'm showing you the class we used in our last lecture, and I added two classes, motorcycle and supercar. Vehicle is our abstract class, it is our superclass. Car extends vehicle. Supercar extends car. As you can see, I can extend car in supercar, and I can also in car extend vehicle. In other words, supercar will extend both car and vehicle. Supercar, when I will do an instance of an object of type supercar, I will have all the attributes and all the methods that are inside car and vehicle, right? By the way, extending multiple class at a time is not allowed in Java. This is why we are going to do a class that extends another class, and this class can extend another one, and so on. I will show you in the next slide the syntaxes. My motorcycle is extending vehicle, so extends vehicle, and we will introduce the concept of interface. Motorcycle implements an interface. What is an interface? I would say an interface is a contract, is a behavior you want for your classes, and you don't want to implement it in all your classes. Let's take this example. If I want my vehicle or motorcycle or car or supercar or plane to be able to fly, so I want it to be flyable, we could, for instance, implement a method that says an hotspot saying I'm flying, for instance, in my vehicle abstract class. But if I do that, do you really think a car can fly? When I'm going to instantiate an object of type car, I'm going to extend what's inside vehicle. So I'm going to have the fly method that I don't want on a car. So this is not a good way to do it. Should I implement it in my, should I write a method inside car to say a car can fly? The answer is no, because if I do this, when I'm going to do my plane right here, Java class, I will have to write one more time the same method. And if I want to change something inside the signature of my method, I will have to rewrite in all the classes I wrote my fly method. So the way to go is to create what we'll call an interface. And in this interface, we will write some abstract methods with no body, only signatures. The signatures will tell us what is the name of the method and what are the parameters if we have some parameters inside it. So this way, I can make my plane flyable, and why not, my motorcycle, imagine it's the Batman's motorcycle, flyable. In this case, I'm kinda flexible. I can add wherever I want in each class the functionality to fly, okay? So I hope this is clear. This is all you have to tell yourself about interfaces. You have to tell yourself what functionality I can add, and I don't want to be in all my classes or abstract classes, okay? I will show you the syntaxes in the next slide, but first you have to understand we cannot, I told you already, we cannot extend many classes on a class. You can only extend only one. And the keyword we are going to use to implement an interface into a class is implements. Let me show you in the next slide. The syntaxes we are going to use is motorcycle extends vehicle. Nothing new. You already know it. This is a way to extend a class. Public class motorcycle extends vehicle implements flyable, comma, radar, comma, turbo. Radar and turbo are not in our exercise, but this is a way to show you I can implement multiple interfaces on a class. Okay? In opposite, it is not allowed to extend many classes. We can only extend one class at a time. And we can make an interface, flyable in this case, extends other interfaces. This is allowed, and you can extend many interfaces at a time separated by a comma. All right, so to summarize, we can, on a Java class can extends only one Java class at a time, but it can implement many interfaces if needed. An interface can extend multiple interfaces. I hope this is clear, and I will catch you in the next lecture.